Welcome to the Biamp History Museum. For 5 decades, Biamp has helped shape the way people connect through extraordinary audiovisual experiences. And our museum, located at the company's headquarters in Beaverton, Oregon, tells the story of the people, the innovations, and the defining moments that transformed a hand-built amplifier into a global leader in professional AV. The story begins in 1959, when Portland-based The Kingsmen recorded Louie Louie. As bassist Norm Sundholm struggled to hear himself over the crowd, his brother Conrad built a more powerful amplifier. That invention became Sun amplifiers, whose products, including the Sun Solaris and Sun Concert Controller, powered some of rock's biggest stages before Hartzell Corporation acquired the company. Although a non-compete paused Norm's amplifier career, it also created the opportunity for something entirely new. In 1976, Norm Sundholm and engineer Richard McLeod founded Biamp Systems, building audio technologies renowned for clarity and reliability. Early innovations, including the MixPack powered mixer, keyboard equalizer, and other professional music industry products, firmly established Biamp as a respected name in a crowded field. As the company grew, sales and marketing leader Ralph Lockhart helped shape its professional identity, while ownership transitioned through Leupold and Stevens. Later, former Sun accountant Jerry Payette joined Biamp, and together with Lockhart and the leadership team, helped return the company to independent ownership. The late 1980s marked our company's transition from live sound to installed audio. Products such as the XA300, Rack Max, Advantage Series, Legend mixing consoles, DJ 5600, and Olympia Series 20 Plus 464 expanded the company's reach into commercial environments. As digital technology emerged, Biamp helped define the future with the Advantage Voicecrafter, VSX41, MSP11, and Biamp Win software, giving integrators unprecedented flexibility through digital signal processing. During this era, engineering manager and eventual CEO Matt Krzyzewski and future vice president of sales Ron Camden joined the company, helping guide Biamp through decades of future growth. Entering the new millennium, with longtime employee Jason DeMori assuming the director of engineering role, and Steve Metzger leading the company into the age of open architecture DSP, Biamp strengthened its foundation for sustained global growth. The introduction of Audio Flex, Audio Fusion, Audio Solo, Nexia, and Vocia established new standards for flexibility, while Volume 8, Select 8, and NPS-1 expanded system control and paging capabilities. By embracing technologies including CobraNet, Voice over IP, and acoustic echo cancellation, and through the acquisition of Creative Audio and expansion into Brisbane, Australia, Biamp evolved into a truly global organization. The next major milestone came with Tesira, a breakthrough platform that unified scalable networked DSP for professional AV. The platform continued to expand with Tesira Lux, X-Logic, Server I/O, Tesira Forte, and Tech One, bringing together audio, video, and control in ways the industry had never seen before. At the same time, Biamp expanded its operations with the Cascade manufacturing facility in Tigard, Oregon, and a new engineering office in Rochester, New York, strengthening both innovation and manufacturing. In 2017, Highlander Partners acquired Biamp, ushering in a new era under President and CEO Rashid Scaff and Executive Vice President Joe Androulis. Their vision transformed Biamp from a professional audio manufacturer into a complete provider of audiovisual ecosystems. As part of the company's senior leadership changes, former controller Alex Buchanan Monroe assumed the CFO role. New innovations, including Parlay beam tracking microphones, Vidi conferencing cameras, Parlay conferencing bars, Biamp Launch, Tesira Forte X, and ultimately Biamp Workplace, were complemented by strategic acquisitions of Cambridge Sound Management, Community Professional Loudspeakers, Apart Audio, Huddle Room Technology, Neats, and Evoco. The portfolio continued to expand with solutions such as the Sono EX6, Community LVH 900, Cambridge QTX, Impera Uniform, and Volterra Amplifier, enabling Biamp to deliver complete end-to-end solutions for virtually every environment. This era also marked the Biamp evolution from a US-based manufacturer with international reach to a truly global organization. New offices and teams were established across Europe, the Middle East, India, and Asia Pacific, ensuring local expertise, support, and service wherever customers are. Today, Biamp continues to redefine what's possible through intelligent platforms, artificial intelligence, cloud management, and deeply integrated audiovisual solutions. From that first handcrafted amplifier to connected ecosystems deployed around the world, one mission has remained constant: connecting people through extraordinary audiovisual experiences. The first 50 years have been defined by innovation. The next 50 begin now.